Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. First things first, my name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. If you didn't know, you about to know I make Amazon wig reviews on my channel. So that's another reason to hit the big red letters below. Anyways guys, if you guys want to know how I accomplish this style, all the specs about this wig and how I'm really feeling about this unit and how to get some face framing layers, just stay tuned. We're gonna get into that right now. So hey you guys, we're working with Rose here. These are all the items that came in the box along with the wig unit, and there were some pretty good items if I have to say so myself. Lashes, clips, all that stuff that you usually use. So this is the wig straight out of the box. Well, actually no, this is the wig. Yeah, this is the wig straight out of the box, you guys. This is how she's looking. She does have some shine to her. She is a 13x4 lace frontal wigs, and as you can see, the construction of the cap is done really well with all of your combs and your adjustable straps in the back. Running my finger through her, I didn't experience shedding at first, and this is how the layers of the wig were looking. So she does have some short layers in there, but the ends were the most concerning thing to me. Like, this wig was supposed to be 20 or 22 inches, but I had to chop off so many ends that I think it took away from the length. So this is what the front of the wig looks like. There is a lot of like orangey tones to this hair, and as well as the lace being really dark. I'm not sure if they do mention pre-plucked, but I can kind of tell along the hairline she is kind of not thin, but she does look pre-plucked enough. But you're definitely gonna have to go in there and do some work yourself. These are some products that I used before plucking her, and I plucked her off camera, and this is how she came out, you guys. So like I said, those ends were something to work with, and I definitely had to go in and chop off a bunch of ends. This is only my first time chopping off ends. Before, I had to chop off some more ends. I even used oil in this unit, but she was giving me a lot of dry ends and just dry in general. I think she has some sheen because of the dye that they used on this hair, but overall I would say this hair was kind of over bleached and over colored, because I was expecting that she would be able to hold a curl considering the pictures on the website, but she really couldn't even hold a curl. So like I said, I did use some products to try and re-alive her. These were the products that I used. I was trying to recreate the picture on the website that I had. I saw this wig all curled up, and I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be so freaking pretty when she's all curled and I get to install her like that. So these are how all the curls turned out in the beginning, and this is how she was looking with some products and stuff. So right here she looks so cute, y'all. I was really excited. So then I went in and I combed out those curls. Do not suggest this because, like I said, this wig was not really holding a curl. So as you can see in the video, the curls themselves dropped, and I was just picking out the curls, not super combing them out, but they dropped, honey. And I was like, oh, okay. So yeah. So next I went into installing her. As you guys can see, I was all cute. I was ready to have like a super cute day and be all brown and stuff. But I cut the lace once, and then I cut the lace again, and I noticed that the lace was just too dark, dude. Even putting makeup on it, or even like quote unquote light skin makeup to make the lace lighter, was not working, and it actually made it look super messy in the end. So those curls had already dropped, so once I had to install this on my head, I had to curl her again, because like I said, this wig does not hold curls. If you're gonna end up getting this wig, I suggest that you just style her straight. And noticing how she was looking once installed, I went in and tried to cut some more ends to shape my face, or just to cut the ends of the hair to see if it would like hold a curl better, because often some hair is just not working with you because the ends are dead, and you'll get that bounce back if you do end up cutting them. But y'all, it just wasn't working for me. The hair was over bleached. There was a lot of oranges and browns colors in it. I don't know if they toned down the picture on the website, but it didn't really look how I expected it to look. So there's that. I am going to finish styling this wig for you guys and let you guys have your own opinion on her. In the end, I will come back with y'all and give y'all my final updates and give this wig a rating. But for now, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me style her and how I got some curls in her, etc, etc. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I did have to work with her a lot to accomplish this look. I know, y'all, I'm looking so cute in these videos and whatnot, but like I said, this wig seemed like it was over bleached. The lace didn't really match, and I don't really know if it's worth the price on the website. It has been a while since I've had this wig, actually since May, and right now it's December as I'm doing this voiceover. I haven't reached for the wig again ever since this video, just because I have over bleached hair and I know exactly what it's like, and this is kind of what I experienced with this unit. So if you guys want this unit, the link will be in the description box below, and as well as all of the other products that I used in this video, so just make sure to check down there for that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters of my next video. Bye. Wait. Oh my god. There we go. Bye.
It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life.